recipe as part of my Meals for Kids, but of course anyone can make these and enjoy them, but I know that children love their chocolate cake. So we're making air fryer double chocolate chip muffins, and these are gorgeous, and what I love about them is that they are so easy. I made some blueberry muffins in a similar way using vegetable oil rather than butter, and they worked so well that I am now making these. So I really hope you enjoy today's recipe. Please do hit the like button for me. We're going to go and get in the kitchen and get started ever so shortly. But before I do that, please do press that like button and please do subscribe down below. It is free to do so, and then I can bring you more Ninja Foodi recipes like this one. And if you do want the printable recipe or maybe one of my other recipes, there are over 400 of them. I think there's actually up to sort of 430 now actually on the website. I've got a recipe subscription, but it costs as little as £2.50 a month, which is less than going out and getting a coffee, and it gives you all of those recipes to make time and time again. They're all printable. It is an annual subscription, so when I talk about £2.50, that is what it equates to per month, but it's such good value and I have such good feedback from it as well. So many people on there using the recipes. And of course, my cookbooks are available over there as well. So thank you for joining me. Let's go and get started. So we're making really easy air fryer chocolate chip, well, they're double chocolate chip actually, muffins. So we're starting off 1 medium egg in the bowl. Now in here I have measured out yogurt, and you just want some plain yogurt, 75 grams of that. And then 50 ml of milk. I'm using self-raising. I'm using semi-skimmed. That would make more sense, wouldn't it? We are using self-raising flour later, but yeah. So 75 grams of the yogurt, 50 millilitres of the semi-skimmed milk. That all goes in together. Now we want vegetable oil. So let's measure that in. I think it's going to be easiest to do it like this. So 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 millilitres. They're 15 millilitre measurements, and that's a tablespoon. And then we're going to flavour it with some vanilla. Half a teaspoon of vanilla will be good. So let's measure that in. And then I'm going to just set my scales underneath to weigh in my caster sugar, 75 grams. So let's measure that in. A little bit more, just going steady, because obviously the measurements are pretty important when you're baking. Okay, let's remove the scales for a second. And now let's stir all of this together. So you want to combine, break up that egg, get that sugar well distributed in here. So those are all of our liquids in for now. And it does look extremely runny, but don't worry, this is how it's meant to look. Okay, so scales back under. Let's reset those. I'm going to actually sift in the self-raising flour just to avoid any lumps, and it makes it nice and light. And I need 100 grams. Next up is my cocoa powder, and I want 30 grams. That's what makes them the double choc chip. Little bit of salt, just a little pinch. And then I have got a bag of chocolate chips. I've gone for dark chocolate chips. These bags are 100 grams. I like to put most of them in now. Just save a little bit back. And we can start mixing this all together. And now just to bring this all together. I told you it was easy, didn't I? It really couldn't be any simpler. Now, with my air fryer basket in the Ninja Foodi, I can only fit 4 of these muffins in at a time, and this mixture will make 8. And that's absolutely fine. I'm just going to cook them in 2 batches. No point trying to do them all at the same time. They're not going to cook evenly, and the result just basically isn't going to be as good. So I would much rather just do a little at a time. This smells so chocolatey, so rich. It smells incredible. And I love the simplicity of this. So easy. So let's get those in our little cases. Let me show you. So in my air fryer basket, I have got some little metal molds here which hold my cupcake cases really well, and it just means that they're a little bit more secure and it's a little bit easier, and that way I can just literally lower them in. So I use these, I think I got these ones from Sainsbury's actually. So let's fill those up, and I'm actually going to fill up the other 4 so that I can try and visually see how much I've got in each one, and that I'm hopefully trying to keep them fairly even. So here goes. Let's use my finger. Let's get some mixture into each one. Tend to put some into each one and then just top them up so that they look pretty even. I know some people would weigh them and get them, you know, absolutely perfect. If you want to do that, you can. So now I've got them all into the little liners, I'm going to add my extra chocolate chips just on top like this. These are really great to make with kids because obviously they're going into your air fryer, so it's nice and simple. Plus just mixing the mixture together, it's not like you're having to cream it together butter because we use that oil instead. I've had quite good success with using oil in the in some cake recipes. My blueberry muffins are made in a similar way. Okay, I think we are there. I think that is the last of the chocolate chips, all gone. Didn't even save myself one. Let's get those into the air fryer basket. So here goes the first 4 going in. You want to preheat your air fryer so that the pot is nice and hot and ready to take these. So my Ninja pot is lovely and warm. We're going to lower it in the basket. Just be careful when you're doing this because the pot is hot. There you go. Let's close it and let's air fry them. They've had 13 minutes and they are done. I've just tested them with a skewer. So I'm going to take those ones out and we'll cook the next batch. These turned out so well. They're light, but they are super moist, and those chocolate chips are beautifully rich. Of course, you could use milk chocolate or white chocolate with these. I hope you give them a go, and I hope you love them as much as we did.